What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are unboxing the Scuf Vantage. Why do I have to? Well, let's get this out of the way. I'm gonna give one of these away, so go check out the video I did on Twitter maybe like 5, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes ago whenever I uploaded this video. I need ideas on how to give one of these away, so yeah, I'm gonna give a Scuf Vantage. We're gonna unbox it, check it out, and pretty much this is the answer to Xbox's Elite controller. As you can see here, got one right here, brand new in the box, and you know what? I'm gonna give this one away too, so I don't know, if you want an Elite controller, hit me up. Anyways, back to the Scuf. This is the Scuf Vantage. This is just released maybe about a week or two ago. I know you've seen many videos online here early because, you know, pros, people that are sponsored by Scuf get these early and get them for free. But no way, man. Not GT. GT buys his own shit, and he had it overnighted. And like I said again, if you want to win this controller, you got to follow me on Twitter. Like the video, like the tweet, retweet it, do whatever you got to do to get my attention and help me figure out how to give this controller away. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox one of the controllers. So here we have the Scuf Vantage. This is officially licensed by PlayStation. So this is the answer to the Xbox Elite controller. So PlayStation and Scuf got hooked up, got married. I don't know what they did. And they decided to have a baby and have this controller. Like, alright, PlayStation is slacking. You got all these other, you know, third party, second party, whatever, first party models, and they're not great, to be honest with you. And as you can see here, this is the wireless wired version for the PS4, and I don't go for the cheap stuff. I buy the good stuff. I buy the expensive stuff. So you have the wireless controller, you got the sax buttons, the interchangeable D-pads, removable vibration modules. Pretty much there's a bunch of stuff you can do to this controller that you cannot do with the Elite. Let's go ahead and slide it out of the box. And I'll give Scuf this. Their packaging has improved, but I think this was kind of with the help of PlayStation. Here you have the logo, Scuf in yellow or like neon green. You can see it there. And it's pretty much like a hexagonal box, the shapes. You got the PlayStation logo there. You got make it your own at scufgaming.com. So yeah, you can go to scufgaming.com and pretty much customize it. The buttons, the paddles, the shell, pretty much everything is customizable. Voila. There you have it, the Scuf Vantage controller. And here you go, I'll give you a closer look. Precision and control in every direction. So far, no, it's dope. I like it. Like I said, the packaging, superb. Superb. Alright, for starters, you know, you have here, you get some tags pretty much telling you that these are removable. So the faceplate is removable. So if I take this off, you know, the little faceplate comes off. And that is because it is magnetic. And as you can see here, you can see the magnets there. So I'm loving it so far. Let's go ahead and remove these tabs because they're so annoying. And you can see the little insert rings. They're kind of like little smooth bumpers, so whenever you don't scratch up the joystick or the sticks, you know, it doesn't mess up or doesn't grind. So you can change these as well. You got to buy the kit though. So as you can see here, the magnets, I don't know if you can see them here closely. There you go. Magnet, 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 and a magnet. So like I said, you can change the shells, the front shells only. Here you have the inside of the controller. It says removable, so the rumbles are removable. So let's take these off. Oh, these things just like pop off right away. Jesus. Holy Jesus, man. So pretty much everything on this controller is removable. Here you have the rumbles. I gotta put them in right. I don't know if I did it right the last time. Oh, there you go. So bam, slide in the rumbles like that. So they are removable. Remove the rumbles, left, right. You can remove the joysticks as well. Slide them off, slide them off. And for starters, we gotta take these little protective films out of the joysticks. The joysticks are replaceable, or the sticks, whatever you wanna call it. You can use dome, concave, pretty much whatever you like. The buttons, I don't know if these buttons are removable. I don't think they are. They don't look like they are. So yeah, remove this little piece here. So you do have two sensor touch bars, one right here and one at the bottom. So I think this is like the volume controls and stuff. You got your USB and your Bluetooth. You got how to, you know, modify your controller here, button switches. You got your auxiliary for your headset, for your gaming headsets. You got the start, pause options. These buttons here are removable as well. So if they get annoying at one point, you can remove them. So let me put these back. So pretty much this controller is fully customizable. Buttons, the triggers. This is where you charge it. This lights up. So if you can see here, Scuf have changed it to where it's not like rigged on a controller, PS4 controller shell. So this is similar to an Xbox, the Impact Xbox 360 controller. Here you have your trigger stops. Let me see here. Just flip them over and you take off the trigger stop, flip them over again, boom, trigger stop. You can do the same thing on here. Flip them out. You got your paddles. Paddles are removable, so you just gotta twist them a little bit and slide it out. And I'm struggling here a bit because I'm trying not to break it. The paddles are replaceable, and as you can see here, they're removable. You have the little button here. I don't know if you can see it there. So this is R4, P4. So yeah, put the paddle back in, slide it in sideways, boom, Vantage. Vantage, Vantage. So that's pretty much it in the controller. You know, the D-pad's removable as well, magnetic. I don't know if you can see it there. You can actually put a disc. Usually the disc, when you put it on here, it's mainly for like racing games from what I've been told. Although I don't use the disc for racing games, but yeah. Let's go ahead and put these back on the Scuf. So now that we got the joysticks back on, like I said, you could change them to dome or concave. Unfortunately, I did not buy the kit because it's not available for sale yet. And you can remove these little pieces too. You know, put the longer ones. I don't know if I got it in these package. Let's see if I do. But yeah, all this is pretty much customizable. This whole controller is customizable. Let me see if it powers on. Yep, it does power on. You get the Scuf light. And I know this should be lighting up, but it's not. So I don't know what to tell you there. So there you go, Scuf logo, lights up white. So whenever you plug it in, you charge it, you know, you use the cable that you get with it. So put the controller down inside the box. Oh, I'm like dropping everything. Like I said, the packaging, pretty dope. I'll give them props. They went all out. All right, in here you get a little, I guess, extra stuff, I think. So it says customize your experience. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what they actually gave me. Hopefully they gave me everything. It's a little box inside of a box, inside of another box. Oh, sweet. Yes, they did. They hooked it up. You got the concave. Actually, you got the dome stick. You got the Scuf lock or the Scuf key to adjust the triggers. You got the Scuf disc or the Scuf wheel. You got the Scuf rings for the joysticks. And of course, you got extended R1 and L2 triggers. So yeah, they hooked it up. So yeah, you get everything on this Scuf controller. And unfortunately, these are black. I wish they would have given them to me like gray or blue, but it's okay. Let's go ahead and move on. You also get a cool case so you can carry around your Scuf controller just like the Elite. Like I said, this is the answer to the Elite controller for the Xbox One. You get a little Scuf peel. Let's see what's inside the Scuf peel. Nothing. I'm guessing you put like little headsets or something, or your cord. I doubt the cord's gonna fit, but oh well. You do get a braided charging cable to plug into your PlayStation. This is pretty nice, Scuf Gaming. Marketing wise, they did pretty good on this. Product wise, same thing. I like how they're actually putting detail. I don't know if you can see it there. It's braided. It's kind of like braided, some type of material, some type of nylon protective, so that way it doesn't bend, tear, or mess up. It's pretty long, pretty lengthy. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Here you go. Oh, damn. That's how long it is. But yeah, it's pretty long. I'm not going to lie. So let's take that out. Like I said, you put your Scuf in. I like the fact how they got the stitching, the green, yellow stitching around here. Put your Scuf controller. Put it in. Voila. And you are good to go. Go to Pro Scenes, go to MLG, go have fun or do something. Now there's another package in here which it says Open, Learn, Perform. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is pretty cool. Although I would have wished they used like Ziploc bags, which would have been cool so we could reuse them, because you know these ain't gonna last that long. And what do you get in here? You get a Scuf Gaming, like I guess like a warranty or information. You get some cool stickers. Scuf Gaming, Prepare to Win, Team Scuf, and Scuf logos and the picture. It says make it your own at scufgaming.com. Alright, and the next thing you get is the booklet. I'm guessing it's pretty much the how-to, the guide, how to set up the accessories, the table of contents, what buttons are for what, how to remap your triggers, how to set up your trigger stops, how to adjust the trigger stops with the Scuf key. And yeah, like I said, you could everything on this controller is customizable. It's not the Elite. The Elite, the only thing you can customize is the back paddles, the D-pads, and the joysticks. You can't really customize the L and R and right bumpers and triggers. And of course, you got optic scump. Oh, my bad, that's not optic scump, that's a Crim 6. Yeah, like I said, pros get the shit for free, GT doesn't. That's why GT buys his own. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video, the unboxing of the Scuf Vantage. Here it is again, a closer look. I like the green and the yellowish type of color. I like the gray, silverish blue. I did check this out at E3 and oh shit, this thing is still on. How do you turn this off? I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out somehow. But anyways, this is the unboxing. Like I said, I am giving one of these away on my Twitter, so make sure you go follow me, like the video, retweet, and give me some ideas, and you'll have a Scuf on your own. If we get maybe more than 100 people, I might buy a second one and give that one away too. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.